Current affairs video for the period 20th July to 22nd July 2016 will be of immense help to the students in their preparation for different competitive exams. Current affairs headlines. Fortune 500 list released. India Oil Corporation ranked at 161st place. Union Cabinet approves Transgender Persons Protection of Rights Bill 2016. Union Cabinet approves establishment of All India Institute of Medical Sciences at Gorakhpur. Rajya Sabha passes Child Labour Prohibition and Regulation Amendment Bill 2012. Steve Elworthy appointed Managing Director of 2019 World Cup. ECI launched National Electoral Roll Purification 2016. Amendment in the Benami Transactions Prohibition Amendment Bill 2015 approved. Current affairs in detail. Fortune 500 list released. India Oil Corporation ranked at 161st place. Walmart topped the list with revenue of $482.13 million. The world's 500 largest companies generated $27.6 trillion in revenue. 7 Indian companies figure in the Fortune 500 list. Indian Oil Corporation, that's IOC, ranked highest at 161st with $54.7 billion. Union Cabinet approves Transgender Persons Protection of Rights Bill 2016. Seeks to evolve a mechanism for social and educational empowerment of transgenders. It will bring transgenders into the mainstream of society and bestow many benefits. It will make all the stakeholders accountable for upholding the principles of the bill. It will bring greater accountability on the part of the union and state governments. Union Cabinet approves establishment of All India Institute of Medical Sciences at Gorakhpur. It will be established under Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana. Cost for establishment of new AIIMS in Gorakhpur will be 1011 crore rupees. Recurring expenditure will be met by the respective new AIIMS from their annual budgets. The institution will have a hospital with capacity of 750 beds. Rajya Sabha passes Child Labour Prohibition and Regulation Amendment Bill 2012. It prohibits employment of children below 14 years in all occupation or processes. It also adds a new category of persons called adolescent, 14 to 18 years. It also enhances the punishment for employing any child in an occupation. Penalty for employing a child increased to imprisonment between 6 months and 2 years. Steve Elworthy appointed Managing Director of 2019 World Cup. The 2019 World Cup will be held in England and Wales. He will also oversee Champions Trophy and Women's World Cup in 2017. He has previously been the Tournament Director for the 2007 and 2009 World T20s. He is former South Africa fast bowler. ECI launched National Electoral Roll Purification 2016. It will improve health of electoral rolls and to optimize the polling station location. The motto of ECI for the year 2016 is No Voter to be Left Behind. NERP will ensure that all electoral rolls will be made free from errors. Amendment in the Benami Transactions Prohibition Amendment Bill 2015 approved. The amendments aim to strengthen the bill in terms of legal and administrative procedure. The amendments will empower the government to confiscate Benami property. Those who declare their Benami properties under Income Declaration Scheme will get immunity under the Act. For more on current affairs, log on to jagranjosh.com.